Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a CarPlay Android Auto wireless smart reversing camera. It's HD, it has an AV in, which basically is for the reverse camera, and it's touchscreen. So let's open up the box, see what we get inside. But this has a lot, it does a lot. Alright, so you get the backup camera that comes in here. It actually has like a little mounting pad and some screws that come with it as well. It has a generously long cord. So this can even mount to like even some of like your longer pickup trucks. You have your power cord, which is it's a C plug, and again this is like pretty generous, like length. I mean it's super long. You get a booklet, basically goes over everything that it does, and you have your mounting plate, which basically has a non-slip surface that can mount on your dashboard, nice and easy. And then this is the touch screen, and I love the fact that it has like kind of like a sun visor on it, because there's nothing worse than when you are trying to look at something and you get like that haze. So I mean it's really cool. And you have your front dash camera here, which is adjustable, as well as you get the reverse camera. So you have like a bunch of different camera features on this. As well as it has a memory card slot, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte card. This was in a package, and I had actually done this is my second unboxing video of this, because my first footage just, I don't know what happened to it. It like disappeared off my computer. But anyway, so this is the second showing of that. But the memory card did come in its own package that was packed separately in here. But this is a really cool device. So let's go back outside, and I will show you how to hook it up, some of the features that it does, and we go from there. Anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so alright, so this is your display, and all your hookups are here. So it takes a USB-C adapter. So we're going to open this up. And we can plug that into one of our outlets. So it'll give you a power indication light that it's on. And they give you a generous length of cord here. So it's USB-C, so we're going to plug it in here on the side. Alright, so that's your power. And then this is going to be your reverse camera. So again, they give you a super long, generous cord that you can hook up, so you can route that through your vehicle. Then this is going to be your camera insert right here, and then that's going to sit on your dash. And like I said, you got a forward facing camera, and then you're going to have your reverse facing camera that you can mount however you like. You can even use double adhesive to mount the outside of your vehicle, or you can even have it sit on the back of your chair looking out your back window, however that you want to mount that. So we're going to go. So you can adjust your light sensitivity here, how much light. You can adjust your volume from here. So this is your CarPlay menu. So basically it says open the device, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The first connection on your phone needs to manually connect to Bluetooth. Wait. So that's the equipment name. So we can bring that up on our phone. Then we're going to go into Bluetooth. And then we're going to look for, sometimes it's usually like the last device to show up in there. So we're looking for TF76. Okay, so here's TF76. So we're going to connect to that.
Pairing. Pair. Okay, so now this device is connected. So we'll go back to home. So that's going to be connected. And then that's your Android Auto. Again, we've already connected that, so it'll work off your phone. So this is your settings menu. And then there's a bunch of stuff that you can do. So we're going to do camera format because that card is brand new. So camera format, so it's 10, we'll use the 1080. And then we're going to be looking for the format SD card. So you want to press that. So it's got to format that card to this device. Okay. And then we're going to go down to, try not to hit everything that's here. So these are basically all your settings that you can do. Like this is your back camera. So you go into your settings there. Go back to your, so start recording. So it's going to be recording from the front, and it'll also be recording from the back camera. So you can go into the recorder and see basically. So that's your front camera. So it's taking a picture if you had to. That'll go back in time and rewind. So you can press play and you can record off your dash. You can delete the picture if need be. Go back to home. And then that's going to switch our, oops, upside down. So that is going to be our backup camera view. So if we had this mounted in the back, you'd be able to take that. So that's your alternate camera. And that switches back and forth between the two. So it'll give you front and back view at the same time, or then just the front. So this does a lot. I can't even begin to get into all the features that this has, but that's just kind of like a quick demo. But other than that, Brian from Garage Mahal, and this is your new base control center for your car with your backup camera, your front recording camera, everything. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.